This tutorial is about state administrative law. We'll concentrate on the state of Florida, but the process is similar for other states. State administrative law falls under the executive branch, which is under the governor. State administrative law includes enabling statutes, executive orders, agency actions, and court decisions. For Florida, the best place to find state administrative law is at the official website, flrules.org. You'll notice that you can search through the entire process. You can research all of the steps in the process. Administrative law consists of notice and comment rulemaking. So the legislature will pass an enabling statute that creates the state agency, and sometimes this can actually be part of the state constitution as well. The agency is created. It's given its mandate. Boundaries are set for what the agency can and cannot do. And then once the agency comes into being, they hire professionals in that area, whatever their expertise is supposed to be. And they start with notice and comment rulemaking, which means they'll publish a notice that, hey, we are thinking of creating a regulation in this area, and they'll ask for comments. Comments can be made by anybody in the state, individuals, businesses, other state agencies. It really is open to everyone. They publish this notice and comment process in something called the Florida Administrative Register, which is a daily newspaper of all the administrative happenings in the state. And you'll see here on flrules.org, you can search through the Florida Administrative Register. If you have a specific citation, you can search that way, but then you can also browse. You can search for commentary as well. Notice on the top left, I've circled a link where it says subscribe for notifications. You can actually subscribe to have them send you the table of contents for the administrative register each day, so then you can browse and see if there's anything that you want to read, if there's anything happening with a particular agency that maybe your clients are governed by. You can also search then through the Florida Administrative Code. Once the notice and comment rulemaking process is complete, a notice is posted, we're thinking of passing this regulation, comments are received, maybe an appended or an amended notice is then published. It goes back and forth until they reach a final version of a particular regulation. Then it goes into effect. And when it does that, it gets published in the Florida Administrative Code. Those are the administrative regulations that are in effect currently that people have to follow. So you'll notice at this same website, you can search through the Florida Administrative Code. If you have a citation, you can use that. You can also browse or use the table of contents. You can do a full text search. I don't have a citation. I don't know a particular agency. I'm just looking for something that deals with this topic. You can do the full text search, and then with the pull down menu decide if you want to look through the register, which is the daily newspaper of all the sausage making, all the process, or if you want to look in the current existing Florida Administrative Code. Once rules are in place, then it's up to the agency to also enforce those rules. And they do that through a thing in the state of Florida called the Division of Administrative Hearings. So once a client of yours has been charged with being out of compliance with a particular regulation, they can have a hearing before an administrative law judge. And for Florida, all of our state agencies go through Division of Administrative Hearings for that. There is a link here, so you can go right out to the Division of Administrative Hearings. This is their website. You'll notice a lot of good information on the left-hand side. In the center, you'll see there are a couple of executive orders. So as we said, the governor is able to direct agency action through executive orders. But I wanted to particularly point out to you that you can do case searches here. And again, that's on the left-hand side. Just click on case search. You'll get this search box. Has a lot of different options for you. Notice at the top that workers' comp cases and DOE due process hearing orders are in a separate database, so you want to click on those if you need those. But then otherwise, whatever information you have about a case, if you have Division of Administrative Hearings case number, if you want to look by case status, whether it's in process, if it's closed, what have you, if you want to look for a particular judge, administrative law judge, if you are looking for cases from a particular agency with a particular petitioner, whatever information you have, including then down at the bottom, you can search actual orders by text, a full text search. One tip that I will give you in the very center of the page, and I put an arrow toward this, you'll see a blue box that's checked that says include cases dismissed without hearing. That's cases that they settled before they even went to hearing. That's a lot of cases. So if you want to kind of pre-narrow your results list, you can uncheck that box and it's going to give you much, much fewer results that you're going to have to sort through. If you do that and then there's not enough, you can always go back and check the box. For any research assistance on state administrative law anywhere along the process, or for research in other states for their administrative law, or any research questions that you have, please contact us at any time. You can stop by the library. You can email us at lawrefgp@law.stetson.edu, or you can call us at 727-562-7821.